Hey there, it's me again. Really kind of touching in on the second half of week 3. I want to give a lot of props to the people who have submitted your literacy narrative, which is most of you. We have a lot of amazing experiences and a lot of really kind of powerful moments in our class, right? And so there are some really great things taking place from the various students out here. So really, I'm really excited to see the second draft and then even the third draft and where these narratives are going. The sky is absolutely the limit. You'll notice that tonight, Thursday the 13th at about 8 p.m., you'll be assigned your second round of peer reviews. I'm assigning 3 per person, and I'm asking for you to again provide positive comments that help the writer build on strengths that they may already have. I'm looking for big picture comments, comments about the message, comments about the details, comments about the language that help the writer improve, that help the writer build on strength that they're already bringing to the page. I do want to caution against using error-based comments, talking about, oh, you have an error here, or you have some bad grammar here, or oh, you messed up punctuation here. Right? These things don't really help the writer grow. What they do is chip away at the writer's confidence and kind of make them self-conscious about what they're doing. So I want you to focus on building the confidence, building the writer's esteem, right? Building on their strengths. Everybody already brings something to the table. Let's build on that strength, okay? So that's what I really want to see. Coming up in the next couple of days, you also will have a reflection to complete. Now, this reflection is basically what we call a revision memo. And in this memo, it's a self-critical, self-conscious awareness of how the choices you make in your writing impact the reader, right? And so what that means is I've asked you to make some changes. I've asked you to look at language. I've asked you to bring active verbs and evocative language to the table. And so in this reflection, what you'll do is look at the changes that you've made in your drafts from draft to draft to draft, and you will explain how those changes help strengthen your writing. And this will then help you get ready to really build up into that final narrative in that final draft, right? And so your final draft is going to be due on the Tuesday the 18th at about midnight, right? And so once that's due, next week we're going to kind of suspend operations a little bit. I'm going to focus on face-to-face conferencing. We're going to do grading conferences one-on-one using Zoom, or you can make appointments to come into my physical office hours or lab time if you want. Just send me an email that that's something you want to do, and I'll arrange that. Okay. Otherwise, I'll be hosting conferences on Wednesday the 19th through Sunday the 23rd. The Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, Wednesday and Thursday conferences will be in the evening, and the Friday will be in the afternoon to the early evening. Saturday I'm pretty open, but we can expect for some 2 or 3 different spots in the afternoon and early evening. And then on Sunday, I'll be around most of the afternoon to early evening. I'll be sending you an email on Monday with instructions on how to sign up for a conference with me. Now, these conferences are mandatory. And I want to see you. I want to talk to you. I want for you to become more than just some typing on a page. And so you won't get a grade on your assignment until you speak with me one-on-one. Right? So again, look for that on in further instructions for that on Monday. Other than that, so far so good. I'm very happy with where we're at and what we're doing. So I'm extraordinarily excited to see the final drafts and to finally meet every one of you face to face. Looking forward to it. Have a great rest of your week and really enjoy the writing process. Right? Thank you. Bye.